Hello, children. Welcome back to our English class. In the previous class, we had seen that Sadao Hoki is a Japanese doctor and his house is situated near the Japanese coast. He enjoyed his childhood days playing and climbing the pine trees. His father had taken him to the islands of those seas and had often motivated him by giving him a message that nobody can limit one's future, and it's in our hands to develop it and to prove ourselves. So today we are going to take up page 25. Are you ready for the class? I hope yes. Okay, let's continue. Sadao had taken this into his mind as he did everything his father said. His father, who never joked or played with him, but who spent infinite pains upon him, who was his only son. So now, this concept is entirely different from the present day concept. Okay, the Sadao had taken this into his mind as what is this? What did he take into his mind? The idea that his father had given, that nobody can restrict your future, nobody can limit your future. So, and it's what you make it. Okay, so that is what he had taken into his mind. He had kept it stored in his mind, and he always used to get motivated by this particular idea of his father. And he did everything as his father said. He never said, like the present day children say, we are also human beings. We have also got our own ideologies. We are human beings. We have our own feelings. No. He did whatever his father said without even a second thought. Because he knew that his father was working day and night only for him. Okay, so his father, who never joked and played with him. So the present scenario is that if a parent doesn't play or joke with the child, that father or the mother is not up to the mark. The present scenario is you hold on to the shoulders of your parents and then walk around like friends. We are friends. That's what they say. You don't like parents who scold. If the parents keep on scolding and telling you what is right and what is wrong, they are the biggest enemies that you have. It's not your fault actually. It's the fault of the present time, the ambience, the situation in which you are, the environment in which you are. What you see in, what do you call it, the media. That is what is motivating your mind to think like this. But here, Sadao's father never joked or played with him. He never did anything. But he took up a lot of pain, working day in and day out, only for his single son, only for his only son. Okay, so only son means he never had any other child. He was a single child of his father. Sadao knew that his education was his father's chief concern. His father's first and foremost concern was his son's education. Son's education, Sadao's education. And for that, his father was ready to do anything and everything. For this reason, he had been sent at 32 to America to learn all that could be learned of surgery and medicine. So at the age of 22, he was sent to America, so that he could become a very good doctor, and he could take in everything that could be learned of surgery and medicine. He had come back at 30, so you can just imagine how long he was around 8 years he was away from his house. And in those days, that is during the World War and all, you never had any correspondence like mobile phones or a pager even. Okay, letters maybe. It would take ages and ages to reach your parents. Nowadays, if you want to go out without mobile phones, oh, how can I survive? And that too, if you are given an ordinary mobile phone, you are not ready to accept. Even if you are going for a tuition at your age, I don't know what is in it, but then parents are also happy about it. But then, if you are given an ordinary mobile phone that is base model, you're not happy. You want, and if possible, you want the iPhone itself. Smartphones, ordinary smartphones won't do. You want the iPhone. So that is the difference. But here this child never demanded. Sadao as a boy, as a child, as a son, never demanded for anything. Whatever his father demanded from him, that is what he did. So he returned back at the age of 30. And before his father died, he had seen Sadao become famous, not only as a surgeon, but as a scientist. So before his father died, he fulfilled almost all his father's dream, including what he wanted to see him like. He was able to see him become famous, not only as a surgeon, but also as a scientist. So this is what I said. Once you become a doctor, once you become famous, okay, very popular, very successful doctor, don't stop at that. Do something different for mankind. So here is what a doctor did. Sadao. He was doing a research work. He was a scientist also. Because he was perfecting, please underline this whole from here, because till kept in Japan. This is a 2 marks question that would come. Why was Sadao kept in Japan? Okay, this is a 2 marks question that generally comes for the board. So the first reason, because he was perfecting a discovery which would render wounds entirely clean. He had not been sent abroad with the troops. He was an army doctor. So he was kept back in Japan. The first reason was he was discovering a particular medicine that would, as soon as it was applied, it would clean up the whole wound. Wound means any hurt or anything that you have got. Okay. चोट जो होती है, जो घाव जिसको कहते हैं हम लोग, तो उसको पूरी तरह साफ कर देता है ये दवाई. ऐसी दवाई का खोज कर रहा था वो. He had not been sent abroad with the troops because of this reason. This is the first reason. Also, he knew that there was some slight danger that the old general might need an operation for a condition for which he was not being treated medically. And for this possibility, Sadao was kept back in Japan. So now the second reason is the old general, the general of Japan. He was an old man, and he was his health condition was not proper, and he might need an operation at any moment. Okay, so, and this old general believed only on Sadao for his medication, his treatment. And this was another reason why Sadao was kept back in Japan. So the two reasons. First reason is because he was he was perfecting a discovery which would render the wounds entirely clean. And the second one, the old general might need an operation for a condition for which he was now being treated medically. And these are the two reasons why he was kept back in Japan. Clouds were rising from the ocean now. The unexpected warmth of the past few days had at night drawn heavy fog from the cold waves. Now, clouds had covered the area. Okay, there was unexpected warmth. Suddenly, the environment became warm, and that's why when it becomes warm, the environment slowly, the water vapor condenses and slowly the environment cools down. So here the cold waves had started because of the unexpected warmth for the past few days. And Sada watched mists hide outlines of a little island near the shore, and then come creeping up to the beach below the house, writhing around the pines. So Sadao had seen that the mist had covered the whole area. It was becoming impossible to see the island that was near to the coast, and the mist had covered covered the pines also. In a few minutes, fog would be wrapped about the house too. So, in few seconds, the house would be wrapped means covered by the fog too. Then he would go into the room where Hannah, his wife, would be waiting for him with the two children. Now, Sadao is married, his wife's name is Hannah, and they have two children. So, after a while, he's standing out and watching all these things, and after a while, he would go inside the room where Hannah, his wife, would be waiting eagerly for her husband with their two children. Okay, children, we'll stop here. Please go through the lesson. Any doubt, please keep it intact. Mark it, keep it. We'll discuss in the class later. Thank you. Have a good day.